Hello and welcome guys. In this session of machine learning, we are going to see how to build a machine learning model for predicting house rent. For predicting house rent based on some existing record like number of bedroom, number of hall, if there is a pool or if there is a yard, if parking is available, if water bill is included or not, what is the floor, if the house is furnished or not. At last we are going our application is going to predict what is the approximate rent of that house. So I have this much of data in my SQL server. Let's go to Visual Studio and create and build our machine learning model. So go to Visual Studio. Here a console application I created, a .NET Core 3.1 console application. This is the third session for machine learning. In the previous two sessions, I show you the introduction and basic of machine learning. In my previous session, last session, I show how to build model to predict taxi fare. That was a value based analysis, and this is also a value based analysis. If you missed my previous video, I will give the link and the I button. Please check it out. So let's get started. Create a simple console application in .NET Core. Right click on the console application. Click on R. Click on machine learning. Again I am telling you guys, this option will only appear if model builder is installed in your system. So go to ml.net and download the model builder. Click on machine learning. You can see machine learning window in a new tab, it will open. Next, click on value prediction. Click on the data, existing data set. If it is a CSV file or flat file, I can select file and browse the file here. For me now it is in SQL Server, so I am selecting SQL Server. Click on connect. Give the connection properties. Next, after clicking on OK, it will show you the table name. So this is the table name. Next, predict column name. I am going to predict the rent, the last column. Next, what are the input? I want to input all this: bedroom, number of hall, pool required, yard required, parking required, water bill included, the house is furnished or not, everything. Next, click on train. The more seconds, the more time you will give for training, the more actual perfect result you will get. For now, for training purpose, I am keeping it as it is 10 seconds. Click on start training. So model builder will fetch the best training model for our data, and it will show to us. I'm again repeating guys, if the data is higher, actual data, then there are the chances of exact approximate result will be exact. So here we can see light GBM regression model. Next click on evaluate. So here just a demo is there, like how many bedroom I want. Next click on predict. So automatically rent is coming based on our existing setup record. Click on code, click on R project, completed. So two new project has been added here in my application. Next, take this code line by line into our console application. So here I have already written the input logic for getting the values. So same thing, just displaying the text to enter and entering the and storing the record into variable. Next, assigning the variable to our input model, the bedrooms, hall, everything. Next, display the record. After the predict output, we are going to display record result.score. Now run the application. Excuse me. Wait for few seconds. It's the first time running. So you can see enter the bedroom. So 3 bedroom. I need 2 hall. Pool required for 1, yes. 0 is no. I don't require a pool. Yard required, yes, I require. Enter the number of bedroom. So, oh, sorry guys, it's a mistake here. It's coming parking actually. So, number of parking, I require parking, yes. Water bill included, no. Enter the floor, which floor? It's second floor. Each house is furnished, I'm giving no. Next, click on enter. Next. So now it is coming. Approximate rent of this house is 18,500. Let's see again. I did a mistake here actually. Enter this one. Next, run this application. I need 2 bedroom. I need 1 hall. No, I don't require pool. I don't require yard. I require parking space included, yes. Number of floor number, third floor. This house is furnished, yes. So you can see 18,500. Let's give some extra lesser amount. Enter the bedroom number 1, hall 1, pool required, no. Yard required, no. Parking required, no. Water bill included, no. Floor, ground floor. House furnished, no furnished. So you can see little bit less. So as per the existing set of data, our machine learning model is got trained and it is predicting the record. So in this session, we completed how to predict house rent based on the specific criteria like number of bedroom, hall, if there is parking required, or if there is a pool, if there is a yard, like this. If you like my videos, please give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.